Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about classical circuit lines. Classical circuit lines. Okay. In past videos, I talked to you about qubit circuit lines. That's this Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. These are called qubit circuit lines. But this right here is called a classical circuit line. And basically, a classical circuit lines are lines that collect information from these qubit circuit lines after they've been measured, right? Because remember I told you when these quantum gates, after they're measured, right, that information becomes classical. It either becomes a 0 or a 1 and nothing else. It either becomes a 0 or 1 state. And after it's been measured, these gates that are on these uh, quantum, these qubit lines, after they've been measured, the information goes to the classical lines, right? And I'll get into it later in future videos where this information goes. But right now you just need to know that once these gates that are on these qubit circuit lines get measured with this gate right here, the measurement gate, the information goes to a circuit line. Okay, so this is a gate here, and this is a measurement, and you see it's going, the information goes to the circuit line. All right, let me show you something else. Right then I just used the X gate, but this time I'm going to use a Hadamard gate, and then we're going to use a measurement gate after that, right? And you see the information goes to the circuit line. You see the arrow. Now I could change this and have it go. Right now it's going to the 0 classical line 0. And I could change that and have it go to classical line 1. And you can see that change right here. I just changed right here. You see the measurement gate encoded here in software language. It says measure Q0. That's where it is here. And then it says it's an arrow and it says C. That means classical, the classical circuit line. You see it says 1, and that's right here. And I can change that. It goes to a different classical circuit line. I can change that 1 to a 2 here in the software coding language, and you see it changes, right? So that's how you have information go from the qubit line and have it go down to the circuit line here. I'm trying to see if there's anything that I've missed. It doesn't seem like I missed anything. Another thing you could do, let's say you wanted to move this Hadamard gate down the Q1 line, right? You can see that instead of it was on the Q0 line. You see right here it says Q1 now. Why? Because we moved the Hadamard gate down and the measurement gate down by 1. And you see it changed. Now if I want to move this measurement gate down again, and I couldn't, but let's say I wanted to move it down by changing the software code here, then I would just put 2 and it goes down. See, I could even move this Hadamard gate down. It's on the Q1 line. I can change that and make that a 2, and it'll go down. You see, so I'm just playing with it and letting you see. But like I said, the main focus of this video is to just show you that when you get further on in quantum computers, you're not going to just be using the Q the qubit circuit lines here. You can also be using the classical circuit lines when you do algorithms, when you do circuits, and when you do gates. All right. So that's it. I'll go in further into the circuit lines later in the future. But for right now, this is all I need you to know. That's it.